Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for regular dictations on daily basis. The petitioners and interventionists claiming to be public spirited persons have sought a declaration that Supreme Court case proceedings of constitutional importance having an impact on the public at large or a large number of people should be live streamed in a manner that is easily accessible for public viewing. Further direction is sought to frame guidelines to enable the determination of exceptional cases that qualify for live streaming and to place those guidelines before the full court of this court. To buttress these prayers, reliance has been placed on the dictum of a nine-judge bench of this court in Nadesh Sridhar Mirajkar and others versus State of Maharashtra and others, which has had an occasion to, inter alia, consider the arguments of journalists that they had a fundamental right to carry on their occupation under Article 19 within bracket 1 within bracket G of the Constitution, that they also had a right to attend the proceedings in court under Article 19 within bracket 1 within bracket D, and that their right within bracket 1966 3 SCR 744 to freedom of speech and expression guaranteed under Article 19 within bracket 1 within bracket A included their right to publish a faithful report of the proceedings which they had witnessed and heard in court as journalists. The court, whilst considering the said argument, went on to emphasize about the efficacy of open trials for upholding the legitimacy and effectiveness of the courts and for enhancement of public confidence and support. It would be apposite to reproduce the relevant extract from the said decision propounding about the efficacy of hearing of cases in open courts in the following words: as no person can be heard to plead ignorance of law, there is corresponding obligation on the state to spread awareness about the law and the developments thereof, including the evolution of the law which may happen in the process of adjudication of cases before this court. The right to know and receive information, it is by now well settled, is a facet of Article 19 within bracket 1 within bracket A of the Constitution, and for which reason the public is entitled to witness court proceedings involving issues having an impact on the public at large or a section of the public as the case may be. This right to receive information and be informed is buttressed by the value of dignity of the people. One of the proponents has also highlighted the fact that litigants involved in large number of cases pending before the courts throughout the country will be benefited if access to court proceedings is made possible by way of live streaming of court proceedings. That would increase the productivity of the country, since scores of persons involved in litigation in the courts in India will be able to avoid visiting the courts in person on regular basis to witness hearing and instead can attend to their daily work without taking leave. Live streaming of court proceedings has the potential of throwing up an option to the public to witness live court proceedings which they otherwise could not have due to logistical issues and infrastructural restrictions of courts, and would also provide them with a more direct sense